Good morning to all. Myself Suguna. So today's topic is date functions. So previously I have explained about string functions and commands. What are those available in MS SQL Server? So if you have any doubts, please go through on last video. So without late today's session, get into this session. So today's topic is date function. Okay. So uh, what are the functionalities it performs means it performs if you write day means it returns the day of the week for given date. And coming to month, month function also it returns the month of the given date. And coming to year also it returns the year of the given date. Returns the year of the given date. So I will explain with the example also. Okay. So returns the year of the given date. Okay. And the next function is fourth one. Date part. Date part. So it returns the date part specified in the int format, integer format. Okay. It returns the date part specified in the int part. Okay. Integer like integers, 1, 2, 3, right? So it will returns date part specified in the integer format. Returns the date part specified in int format. Okay. Int format, I think you already know. Integers. Okay. Integers means numbers. Okay. And coming to next function is date part and date name. Okay. Date name. It returns the date part specified in character format. Character format means it returns months, April, May, June, like that. It will displayed. Okay. It returns character formats. Returns the date part specified in character format. Okay. Next to sixth one is date name and end of the month. End of the month. What it will do mean returns the last day of the month with optional parameter to add months. Okay. So it will add months and removes, it will add and subtract the months. Okay, I will explain with example. Okay, and coming to the seventh one is date add function. Date add. Date add function returns the date match results. Okay, so it will add months and removes months and all. So coming to eighth one is data diff function. So what the data diff function will do means it gives the difference between two dates. Okay, it gives difference between two dates, either it months or years or days. It will give how many days in between those dates it will give. Okay. Okay, these are the functions available in SQL. So coming to day, so I will explain with example. So coming to day function, select get date. So get date means today's date it will display. Okay, get date function, comma. So I'm using here day. So day of get date function. So today day is second. Okay. So it will display like this. So get date function means it will display total today's date. Okay. Year, month, year, month and day and time also. So time and minutes, seconds and fraction of seconds it will display get date means. Okay. So this is the example for day. So coming to month. So same month also it will display months. So here I am using in place of day month. So directly I can use the month of see. Here I mentioned day means it will display day. Here I am mentioning month means it will display month as well. Okay. See, today's date is second and month is 10th month. Okay. And coming to year function, here it will display with year. So see, year of year. See, so year means it will display year. Here it will display today's date, month, year. Okay. So I hope understood, right? And coming to next one is date part. So date part what will do? Returns the date part specified in the int format, right? Date part. get date. This is the date part, okay? So DD means day. Today's day is day, second, right? So it will display second. So month means it will, I'm mentioning yum. See, month is today's month. This month is 10th month, okay? And here I'm writing year also. Okay. So this is the date part, okay? See, 2023 year returns the date part specified in integer formats, okay? You understood, right? Integer format. DD means day, second day, month, 10th month, and year 2023. So like this, it will display, okay? So integer format, it will be displayed. And coming to next one is date name. Date name, it returns the date part specified in character format. In date format, it will return integer format, and in coming to date name, it will return, it will return in character format. So select date name, right? Date name. So here already displayed date name function. So see get date function. See, it will display in the format of characters, okay? They also just write date name and coming to end of the month. I will explain date add function. Okay. So why we are using date add function means it will add, add months, add date time or valid date strings, okay? Returns date time result based on the units we can add. It can negotiate, okay? So syntax for data function means data date part comma units date data. This is the syntax for data function. And coming to example for data functions, select data function. Here they, so I'm giving date part, and I'm giving one is the unit, and I'm mentioning date also. So I'm mentioning 2022 0. See what will result will be displayed. So we'll add 1 day for and it will display next day date. Okay. See today's date is 23, I think. So 23, 10, and today's date is 2nd. Okay. 02. So I'm adding 1 day, okay, for this date. So see the result. So I'm adding 1 day means, so it will, I'm getting result like this, 2023, 10th month, and 1 day it will add, and it will display 3rd. Okay. So it will, what date add function will do means, it will add or subtract the days. Days, not only days, months also. Months, years, whatever you want to add, you can add it. Okay. So this is the data function example. So next coming to dated if function. Dated if function accept the date part and start date and end date. Okay. So it will accept start date and end date or valid date strings. Okay. And returns the difference between the those dates. So here I am giving start date and end date. So I will get difference between, I mean, the months or years. Okay. I'm getting how many days it will display. So example, understood, right? I mean, data diff function. So data diff function gives the difference between two dates or 2 months or 2 years. Okay. It will give difference between those days, those months or those years. So coming to example, data diff function, select data diff. So here already function is there. Data diff day, comma. I'm mentioning here two dates. Okay, 2023, 10, 1, 20, comma 023, 08, 20. So see, it will display difference between these two dates. Okay, see, 212 days is the difference between this date and this date. Okay. So mention day means I will here I'm mentioning day, right? So it will get, I will get days. How many days between these two dates? Okay. And coming to year also, I will mention year means it will display the years and months also. It will display based on the given dates are. So year is same, right? So 0 years. Say 2 years. Okay. So understood, right? I mean, data deep function, why we are using data deep function is nothing but we can calculate uh, difference between two dates. Okay. So have any doubts? And coming to next one, I mean, end of the month, right? So end of the month, so it will display end of the month. So for example, the date function, month, so see, today's onwards, this month last end of the month is 23/10/31st, and last month, I mean last month end of the month is, this is the functionality. Okay, 2023 9/30, this is the last month end of the date. Okay, so if you want to mention after I mean 6 months last month, end of the month date means, so we go for like this, end of the month, next 6 months, end of the date I need to display means, go for like this, 6 months. Next 6 months. Next 6 months, end of the last last day. Okay. So this is the example for end of the month date add functions. Okay, day, month, year, date add functions. Okay. Hope this section will be help for some people. If you have any doubts, please reach out me. I will mention my details in description. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you.